Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating the Ps5 system software so the SSD is recognized. This matters because firmware adds drive support. Once done, power off, unplug, and ground yourself to avoid ESD damage. Remove the console's left cover using gentle pressure at the corner. You will expose the SSD bay. Make sure you have a 2280 NVMe SSD PCIe 4.0x4 and a low-profile heatsink that fits in the bay. Now position the console on a soft, flat surface. Insert the NVMe drive into the M.2 slot at roughly a 45-degree angle so the connector seats fully. You should feel a click. Once seated, press the SSD down to the spacer and secure it with the provided screw. Set the spacer to the 2280 notch if needed. Next, affix the low-profile heatsink directly on the SSD, ensuring contact with the controller and memory chips to manage heat. Make sure screws are snug but not over-torqued. Replace the metal cover over the bay and proceed to reassemble the console. Power the console back on and follow the on-screen prompt to format the newly installed SSD. Formatting converts it to the Ps5 file system so games can run properly. After format completes, move a single game or install a small title to the drive to verify transfer speed and stability. This confirms everything is seated and cooled correctly. If the console doesn't detect the SSD, recheck the spacer orientation, reseat the drive, and confirm firmware version. Those 3 fixes solve most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.